Welcome to MMC English Hub, your English, your growth.
Here, you learn English in a simple, clear, and real-life way.
Let's learn together and grow every day. Hi, Mark. Be honest. Are you good at ice skating?
Good is a strong word. I stay upright most of the time.
Same here. First time on the ice? Terrifying.
Which is perfect, because today's learners are going to hear a very real moment when someone steps on the ice for the first time.
Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to Christmas Journey by MMC English Hub, your holiday learning series full of real American English. I'm Mia, your practical English coach.
And I'm Mark, International ESL Mentor. In today's episode, you'll learn practical phrases for asking for help, calmly, politely, and naturally.
Stay with us till the end. We'll practice together and boost your speaking confidence. Now let's listen to a real-life conversation between Anna and Chris. Here's today's scene.
Whoa! Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh! Chris? From the market?
Yep, that's me. Need a hand?
Maybe. It's my first time skating.
No problem. Here, hold my arm.
Thanks. How do I keep my balance?
Bend your knees a little. Small steps. Look straight ahead.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. You're doing great.
Wow, this actually feels fun.
Told you. Want to try moving a bit faster?
Sure, but please don't let go.
Don't worry. I've got you.
Oh, I got you. Are you okay?
Yes, thank you. I'm just a little shaky on the ice.
Don't worry, we'll take it slow together.
Nice job listening. Let's slow it down.
Repeat along with the characters when you can. Hey, are you okay? Need a hand?
It's my first time skating.
Bend your knees. Small steps. Look straight ahead.
Wow, this actually feels fun.
Told you. Want to try moving a bit faster?
Sure, but please don't let go.
Don't worry. I've got you. Let's break down today's useful phrases.
Phrase 1. Need a hand? A friendly, casual way to offer help.
Phrase 2. It's my first time skating. A clear way to show you're new at something.
Phrase 3. I've got you. A supportive phrase meaning, don't worry, I'll help. Say this with me. Need a hand?
And now, it's my first time skating. Now here's useful vocabulary for beginners on the ice. Balance. Balance. Ability to stay steady. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Lower your body slightly. Small steps. Small steps. Short, careful movements. Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Keep your eyes forward.
Repeat with me. Balance. Bend your knees. Small steps. Look straight ahead. Again. Balance. Bend your knees. Small steps. Look straight ahead. Dear learners, now listen to this line. Don't worry, I've got you.
Notice the warm, reassuring tone, not rushed.
Repeat it with that same calm feeling.
When you're doing something new, like skating, short sentences are best.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need clear communication.
And a little courage. Dear learners, are you ready to practice? Now, step 1, shadowing. I'll say a line, you repeat after the pause. Need a hand? It's my first time skating. Bend your knees. Step 2, stress and intonation.
Stress this word, first time skating.
Step 3, role swap. You're Anna, Mark plays Chris.
Hey, are you okay? Here, hold my arm. You're doing great. Americans often give simple step-by-step help, especially in sports.
And phrases like, I've got you, or you're good, are very common. Does asking for help feel easy or hard for you? Tell us in the comments. Today's mindset, gentle courage.
When you try something new, it's okay to feel unsteady.
Progress starts with one small step, just like on the ice.
If you've ever tried something new this year, comment, I tried.
Key takeaway, ask for help early.
Keep sentences short and natural.
And stay relaxed. Confidence grows with practice.
Final practice. Try both roles if you're alone or invite a friend to practice with you. Let's replay the full dialogue once more. This was episode 6 of Christmas Journey by MMC English Hub.
If this helped you, like and share it with a friend learning English.
Download the free PDF transcript to practice offline.
Tell us, have you ever been ice skating?
See you in the next episode.
Happy holiday season! Thanks for learning with MMC English Hub.
Every lesson helps you get better. Master English, master your life.
Like, subscribe, and stay with the journey.
See you in the next video.